In this video, we will demonstrate how FortiAnalyzer, or FAS, parses events from native Fortinet product logs and correlates those events with third-party system logs, or syslog. This correlation enables FortiAnalyzer to provide enhanced threat detection and security insights. In this scenario, we are simulating the environment of a small web development company that provides web hosting services to its customers. Our environment consists of a FortiGate firewall providing intrusion prevention system (IPS) protection to the web server, which is located in a secure DMZ. Traffic flows through the FortiGate, where IPS inspection is performed on traffic directed to the web server. Additionally, we are monitoring traffic from the web server to identify indicators of compromise or IOCs. To further enhance security, we have configured Linux Audit D on the web server and are forwarding these logs to the FortiAnalyzer via syslog. The Audit D configuration is set to monitor the www-data user, the user account that the web server runs as, for any unexpected activity. Specifically, we are monitoring for any file creation within the document root of the website. This type of activity can indicate that a compromised web application is being used to install a web shell, which could facilitate further exploitation of the server. Here we can see the third-party syslog parsers assigned to the web server. These parsers are configured to handle logs for Apache, SSH, and Audit D, in addition to standard syslog messages from the server. Next, let's explore the Event Handlers section to review a custom correlation handler that we have created. This handler combines FortiGate IPS logs with Linux Audit D logs to detect a sequence of events that indicate a high-severity security threat. Here is the event handler we have configured for this scenario. We have named it IPS event followed by file creation. Let's take a closer look at its configuration and functionality. This is a correlation event handler that uses multiple rules or events to detect potential threats. Because we have a high degree of confidence in the detection due to the correlation of events, we have enabled the option Automatically Create Incident. Let's take a look at the rules that make up this event handler. By clicking on the IPS event, we are taken into the rule editor. For both of these rules, we are using the normalized fabric log in the FortiAnalyzer. You can see this in the log device type and log type. For this rule, we are looking for a field named threat action with a value of either detected or dropped, though a detected event is more likely to trigger the rule. Now let's review the second rule. Within these logs, we are specifically looking for the string in the event message field that contains name type equals create. This indicates that the www-data user created a file on the web server. This activity strongly suggests that an attacker successfully exploited a vulnerability, resulting in the creation of a file, potentially a web shell, for further exploitation. Now we will execute a script on the remote server to trigger both the IPS event and the local Linux Audit D event. This will allow us to demonstrate how events from two different sources can be leveraged to provide a high level of confidence that a security incident has occurred. Here in the log view, we can see the logs from all devices. Now, here we can see the IPS event that shows an attack was directed at the web server. If we look closer, we can also see the Audit D syslog event. This log shows that the www-data user created a new file in the directory /var/www/html. Now that we have verified the logs related to the security event, let's check the event monitor to confirm if the correlation handler was triggered. Here we can see the IP address of the affected server. When we expand the event, we can see the description that states, detected file write by www-data after IPS event on web server. Clicking on the handler shows that both rules, the FortiGate IPS event and the Audit D file creation event, successfully triggered the correlation. We can also click on the event itself to show the individual logs that triggered it. Finally, let's navigate to the Incidents tab to confirm that an incident was automatically created based on this correlation. This incident was created. This incident can now be tracked, playbooks can be executed to respond to the threat, or reports can be generated to extract more detailed information from the FortiAnalyzer for further investigation and analysis. We hope this demonstration has highlighted the power and flexibility of FortiAnalyzer in correlating events across multiple sources. FortiAnalyzer enhances your security posture not only for Fortinet devices, but also for third-party systems, providing a comprehensive threat detection and incident response solution. Thank you for watching.